Easton, get on the vlog.
Freaking Niagara
Get on the vlog,
Falls.
Easton. Where are we, Easton?
Niagara Falls is very sketchy.
Yeah, we're going to the water park over there. We are deciding if we're gonna walk first or if we're gonna go in the water park. Right, Easton? Yeah. A random maze thing over here. And there's a lot of what going on, Easton.
Random things.
Yeah, a lot of random stuff. Alright, see you later. Yeah. Is it hot in here? Yeah, very humid in here. But we made it to the water park area. Took forever. It's very hot, and I don't know if my bag's gonna fit, or my dad's bag is gonna fit in the locker. Oh, here we go. So the water park was packed. Right, Molly?
Yeah.
Water park.
Packed.
Yeah. It was overpriced to $70 per person, so it'd have been $280 for all of us.
With an hour wait for the slides.
Yeah, and so there was no point. So now we're going to the where are we going? The Bird
Kingdom.
Yeah, we're going to the Bird Kingdom, and then somewhere else, and then maybe to eat. So yeah, we are in line right now. Last admission is 4:15. It is 3:30, so we are good to go.
Where do I look?
Right here.
I look there.
Yeah. So we just bought our tickets. And we can have 2 feeding tickets. We get to feed birds. So yeah, we are currently in the hallway getting to the first aviary.
They've made nice enclosures too, eh?
The green iguana. It's gonna focus. There we go. Look at this guy.
Aren't those like the birds that like go fishing?
But it is beautiful. Look at that. What an enclosure too. Look at this thing. Massive. Something a little more common, guys. The blue jay. Where? Oh wow.
I want to move.
That pixie frog does not look real at all.
They live up to 40 years.
40? Wow.
They
eat small animals?
They eat including rodents.
Wow.
Wow.
I think there's like Christmas lights in there. Like a little decoration.
Yeah, that's cool. This guy's chilling out like that.
Seems like an albino turtle. Yeah. Look at that guy.
Yeah, his name is Oscar.
It's Oscar, okay.
Yeah, and then the pixie is the meatball. And then behind you there, that's Howard.
Howard?
Howard.
Hey, Howard. Howard's a friendly man.
Yeah, Howard, the albino turtle.
How old is Al?
Where is this guy? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
That's cool. A nice little enclosure as well. The Lacotis. Right? Cotis? Yeah.
No, it's starting to lose its feathers.
Oh, yeah.
It's its winter feathers, I'm assuming?
Maybe. Beautiful bird, then.
Look at the coloring.
Look at all the toys. Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Or it's right here. It says, what's he doing? Born 2008.
Oh, then it's not a baby.
Oh, yeah, you're an old sucker.
50 years.
Born 2008? Wow. So this is Dusty. Dusty's not here. Dusty is over here. Here's Dusty.
Uh-huh. That was awesome. What's that?
kiss. Thank you. And what do you say when you're done?
Wow. We just saw a talking African gray, right? Was it African gray? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Parrot named Dusty talk. Ooh, little Zen moment here. There's a dinosaur because, you know, why not? Going through this hallway to the second aviary. We have a feeding at 3:52 now. That's an update. And we're back into the staircase. What is it? Oh. Small bird aviary. Look at that little guy. All on his own. Oh yeah. It's the Three Musketeers.
That's cool. That's their nest. They sleep down inside the basket.
That's cool. Oh, here we are. Please tell me I caught that on film. Hey buddy. Little guy in here. Taking a little nap, I assume. Whoa. But he needs to lay off that chocolate. The turtle will bite. It will bite, guys. Where is the turtle? Oh, there's the turtle. Right there. Look at these guys, though. Why? Why would it be cool to be a turtle? Yeah? Look at look at this guy down here, man. Look at this. It's like a little habitat. Any birds down here? No. That's cool. All up here. A hand raised lily. We want one?
A hand raised Lenny.
A Lenny. We don't need a bird boy.
No bird.
No.
Our pets room, and we got one back for birds.
Yeah. Yeah, we move up.
No birds, Easton. No birds.
Too much work. Too much time.
Oh. No flash. It's the most can you find it? A rare thing they have here. A spider. There's a spider right there. Where is it? Oh, it's in there. In the back there. The trash in the way.
Oh, there it is.
Look down if you dare. I was gonna jump that way.
Logan, don't drop your phone, man.
Whoa, what the?
What?
Oh my god, I can't have seen that. That's creepy. That's trippy. Go, look.
What the?
Yeah, I know. Spider. There's a spider right now.
That's crazy.
Right there.
Found it.
That's the rarest.
Oh, it's right there. In the back there. The tarantula.
Oh, there it is.
That thing's.
I'm kind of hoping we have chunky spiders here. So those are kind of cute.
I want to have some.
No, this is too small.
What are your thoughts on the snake, Easton? Easton, what are your thoughts on the snake? Okay. The famous axolotl. With the bloodworms.
What's that?
Smash.
Axolotl.
Yeah. No, we cannot get an axolotl. What's in here? Oh, bridge. I don't know what we're looking at. I don't know. What are we looking at?
Oh, bats in the corner.
One? Oh, look at them. They're creepy. Look at all the bats in the corner, you said.
All huddled together.
Yeah. The fruit bat. Egyptian fruit bat. We are now in the main aviary. Look at this. Wow. Look at this place. Now
Awesome.
this would be awesome to have.
This is what you want.
Yeah.
Different pods, different places to work in different places.
Yeah.
Or this is your plastic surgery clinic you come to.
It's kind of unsanitary.
No, this is where you come before your thing.
Oh yeah. The waiting room. Oh, go up there.
Land on my arm. Now this is where I want to be with our first.
Wow.
That's
Beautiful.
Chilling out there.
Yeah.
Just chilling.
Oh, look at the macaws.
Where?
Right there. The macaws.
Very smart.
Yeah.
What? Oh, wow.
Look at you. Look at the feathers on this guy. Wow. The what? Wow. Oh, wow. That's a massive bird. Holy. No, that's a massive bird.
Wow.
Right there. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, I think it's a peacock.
Nice. How do you like the exhibit so far?
Pretty.
Yeah. Look at these guys. Okay, so my dad just joined the line for the feeding the birds thing. It is 4:17, so we're a little late, but it's from 4 to 5. So he's in the line so that once we're done exploring this area, we can go back up and feed them. Buddy's just taking a casual stroll. Hey, buddy.
Okay, so
Mine.
only one adult could go in. You two, you
What,
going in?
Mine? What are we doing? What are we about to do?
We're gonna feed
Yeah, we're gonna
You
go.
going in?
We're gonna go feed the birds, right, Easton?
the lorikeets.
Are you,
Yeah.
Lorikeets.
Are you going in to get your epic shot?
Yeah. They may bite. They may poop on us. So
Have fun.
this could be bad. This is where we're going through. Yep. We have put on the hat to protect us from the bird poop.
You know.
Easton's nervous. Spirits are high as we're about to enter. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. This guy's thirsty.
I'm out, bro.
I want to.
It's not gonna bite at all.
It might. It's not food, man. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
It's not food. This is food. Hey, right here. No, buddy. No. Okay. Oh. Hey, that's not food. No. Okay. Yep. Look at this guy. Hello. Hello. And then the macaw, the blue macaw here. But yeah, we're now finishing our tour. Look at that one. That was like on fire. Alright.
Alright, that was
And
awesome.
that brings us to a close. Exit. Yep. That was fun. We are now out of the aviary. We are currently going to go find, I think, either something else to do or hopefully eat because I personally am starving. Now I gotta go catch up with them. Quick update, I'm about to get the coolest shot of this bridge. Oh, look at that. The waterfalls. Yo, Dad, are we allowed to go? I'm crossing this. Are we allowed to? Walking up, guys. Look at this. What a tunnel, man. What's the opposite of Firefly? Waterfall. We're done with the US one. To the Canadian one, aka the better one. We are touring the main strip right now, and then we're gonna eat, and then I think after we're gonna do something else. Bro, where are we, man? This is like a carnival place. Oh my gosh, Daddy! Oh, I remember this. This was so much fun. This was so much fun shooting people. Oh my gosh. Love this. Love this. Bro, this place is like a carnival, man. Wacky. Guys, guess what I do when I jump on a trampoline? I hop.
Areas to walk up the hill.
Guys, the only wacky, non-wacky thing here is the Tim Hortons, which is super large for some reason. I like, why?
Yeah, and we're looking at stuff for
Over there.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Okay, yeah, so let's see what we're trying to explore.
What is this place? Boys? Thrift Lodge.
Mama, I thought
My girlfriend would love that. Register, guys. Pizza, pizza. Yeah. All right, we just finished where, Easton? Eating where?
Indian.
Yep, went to an Indian place. Now we're gonna put our food, the food in the doggy bags away in the car, and then we're gonna go play either mini putt or we're gonna go karting, and then we're going home. The alleyway we're walking through. We are currently in a old candy store. Really? Look at this. Pez. We have European candy.
My Polish friends. I love my penis. Oh my god, you should get this for you.
What? I got this high chew candy, but like a limited flavor. What East wanted to get? Yeah.
And we got this prize bag.
Yeah, they got the surprise bag. Alright guys, we are going go-karting at Niagara Speedway. We have our tickets to go on the Speedway at Niagara. Woo! Alright, oh. Ferris wheel. We just finished the go-karting. I was split up with Easton, but I passed 7 people. Easton, how was it?
Razor, bro.
Huh?
I got bumped so many times.
Yeah, it was there's a lot of road rage, but it was a lot of fun. They did control the speed a little bit, but it was fun to go like right, Easton, like different elevations. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of fun.